Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can disable and enable the username on your character as well as the title here. Yes, I have 9,000 stars, and yes, I do play this game a lot, so that's why I'm a trendsetter now. And yes, I did give in and I did buy the VIP. But to disable it, for instance, you don't want people to see this, you're going to select the gear icon. Then you're just going to select hide, and as you can see, both your username as well as the title will be off. But if you want to show it again, just press the gear icon and select show. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.